Okay guys, today's lesson is gonna be about adding. We're going to learn how to add by regrouping. I know some of you guys, when you add, you still don't know where to start or where not to start. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to add with regrouping. Before we start, I'm gonna show you guys the videos. I want everybody to pay attention to it. That way when we start doing us, you all know what to do, okay?
Today's lesson is on addition. I love addition. It's so much fun. Let's get to work. Here's our problem. A 3-digit number plus a 3-digit number.
You guys see how they set up the numbers?
378 plus 145. Let's start in the ones place.
That's a ones.
8
Always remember that.
plus 5. Well, I like to use the counting on strategy. I'm going to take the greater number 8, put it in my head,
Alright, put it in your head.
count on 5.
Count to 5.
Okay, so I'm putting the 8 in my head.
Count to 5.
Here's the 8. Alright, 8 in my head, now I'm going to count on 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
That's 5.
13! Alright, 13 is a 2-digit number. So I'm going to take the 3 from the ones place, and I'm going to put it in our ones place. Now, I'm going to take the 1 from the tens place, and I'm going to regroup it
Remember, you carry the
into
1.
our workmat.
You never put the whole 13 down there. You carry the 1. Always remember to carry the 1.
Now, we're going to go into the tens place. 7 plus 4. Once again, I like using the counting on strategy. So I'm going to take the greater number 7, put it in my head. There it is again. And I'm going to count on 4. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Ah, but there's one difference. We have a 1 in the tens place in our work map. So we have to add that 1.
Always remember to add that 1.
11 plus 1 is 12.
Wow.
All right.
If you forget
Once
that
again,
one,
it's a
you
2-digit
get the
number.
wrong
So we're
answer.
going to need to regroup. First, we're going to take the 2 from this place and put it into our tens place. Now, we're going to take our 1 and we're going to put it
You carry
in
the
the
1.
hundreds place.
Always remember to carry the 1.
Now, we're working in the hundreds place. 3 plus 1. Once again, the counting on strategy, take the greater number 3, put it in our head, count up 1. 3,
Plus 1.
4.
Alright?
4. Once again, we have a 1 in our
Always
work
remember
map.
that 1.
So we have to add that 1 to the 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So, 378 plus 145 gives us a sum of 523. That concludes our lesson on addition. Coach Mike at My Growing Brain. Challenge yourself. Please subscribe.
Now we're going to challenge yourself to see how well you guys will do on that paper. First, we'll start doing number 1.
Yes, so much.
Let me have it on the board. Then we're going to do number 1 together, okay? Then you guys will do number 2 by yourself, and 3 and 4, and as a whole class, we'll do all of them together. The first one is 5 23 plus 128.
Oh, I know how to do this.
Let's put the boxes. That way you guys remember to carry your ones. First, what is the first thing we should do? Where should we start? Calvin. At the ones place, right? So what are we going to do? We have this 8, that's a big number. So we put 8 in our heads, right? And we add 3 to it. Let's do it together. 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 11, right? So we put the 1, okay, let's put the 11 down here. If that's 11. We put 1 down there. And what do we do with the other 1? We carry the 1 over here. Now, 1 plus 2 is? Kayla. 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 2. Have 3 and add 2 to it. Put 3 in your head and put 3, add 2 to it. Destiny, Trinity. 5, good job. 5. Right? So 1 plus 2 plus 2 is 5. Now we have 5 plus 1. What is 5 plus 1, Madison? 6. And your answer is 651. That is your answer for 523 plus 128 equals 651. Now I'll give you guys some time to do number 2 and 3 on your own. I'll go over to see what you guys are doing, and then as a group we go over it together. I'll give you guys 2 minutes.
You don't have to regroup this. This is gonna be easy.
Can I look at my pencil, please?
Do you really have to show me your answer?
6, 5.
Okay, I'll come around to see what you guys are doing. You have 9. Make sure you put the 9 in your head and add 6 to it. Try it again. 9 in your head and add 6 to it. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? Remember to carry the 1. Always remember to carry the 1.
I got my answer.
Remember, you don't carry the 1 over here. You carry the 1 over there. Because 5 plus 2 is 7. That 1, you should carry over there. You don't carry it over there. I see some of you guys are making little mistake. You don't carry the 1 where you should carry the 1. Always remember to carry the 1 where you should carry the 1. Let's
So
see.
1 plus 4.
Yeah, so 1 plus 4. Okay, put 9 in your head and add 6 to it. Remember, put
It's
9
so
in your head and add 6 to it. Try it again. We'll go over it together. Okay, 1 more minute, then we'll go over it together.
I'm on 4 right now.
I see some of you guys already finished with all of them. Good. Good job. Now, let's go over them together. So some of you guys are so smart and already done with most all of them. Oh my God, I can't imagine. I think most of you guys will get some money today. Let's see. Okay, good. Good. Now let's see if you guys have the right answer. If you have the right answer, you put a check to the one that you have right, and when I'm grading them, I'll see how many of them you got right, okay? Good. Now, let's do it together. 465 plus 192. Now, let's start from here. What is 5 plus 2? You have 5. Put 5 in your head and add 2 to it. Jesus. 7. Let's have Jesus do that one all by himself. That's 7. Right. Now, what is 9 plus 6? You have 9 and and put 6 in your head. You have 9 in your head and add 6 to it.
15.
15. Okay. What do we do with the 15? We put the 5 down here, and where do we carry the 1?
We carry the 1 to the 100
To the 100 place. Good.
And then 4 plus 1 is 5.
5 plus 1 is
5 plus 1 is 6.
6, and your answer should be 657. Did you all have that answer? Yes? Good. Now let's do the third one. Who wanna try the third one? 289 plus 204. Let's have Joseph try that one. You have 9. Put 9 in your head and add 4 to it.
13.
13, okay. And we carry the one over here.
And 6 plus 9 is
That's not
15.
6, that's 8.
No, 8.
8 plus 1.
8 plus 1, 9.
8 plus 1 is 9. And 2 plus 2 is
4.
4. And everyone's answer should be 493. Did you all have that answer?
Yep.
Good. Now let's do 4. 343 plus 174. Let's put the box, that way you guys remember to carry your ones. Okay. Who would like to try that one? Alberto. Let's have Alberto
Okay.
try that one.
So 4 plus 3 is 6.
4 plus 3.
Is 6.
Try again. Put 4 in your head and add 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. There's a little mistake
then-
if you guys make, you're not gonna get the right answer.
And
I got
then
7.
Take your time as you
7.
do it, okay? Always take your time.
7 plus
That's
4
4.
is
Put 7 in your
11.
head.
11.
Good. 11.
And
What do
then-
we do with the 1?
And
Don't
then
put the 11
we
down
put-
here like this.
No.
That's not the right way. We carry the
You put the 1 in the box.
in the box. Now we
And
have.
then
Mhm.
1 plus 3 is 4. Plus
4
1
plus
is
1
5.
is 5. And your answer should be 517. Everybody got that answer?
Yes.
Good job. Now let's try the 4th one. We'll have Trinity do that one with us. 343 plus 174.
I finished with this page.
Good. Wonderful. Now let's make sure you all have the right answer. Trinity, what is the first thing you should be doing in this problem?
We already did that problem. Are we on number 5?
We are number 4. Number 4. 4 plus 3. Trinity, you have 4. Put 4 in your head and add 3 to it.
Wait, where did this
4 plus 3. What is 4 plus 3? 4. Add 4 in your head. 4. 5, 6, 7. Good job. And now, 7 plus 4. Put 7 in your head and add 4 to it. 11? Do we put the 11 down here like this, Trinity? No, right? We carry the 1. Always remember to carry the 1. If you put the 11 down there, you get the 1 answer. You carry the 1 over here. Now, 1 plus 3 is? Put 3 in your head and add 1 to it. 3. 3 plus 1, 3. 4, that's 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. And put 4 in your head and add 1 to it. 4. It is 4 plus 1. 5. So your answer should be 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. And your answer should be 517. Everybody got that answer?
Yeah.
517?
Yeah, but we already did this one.
Good.
This one is number 4.
That's number 4. Everyone should get number 4.
We're supposed to be on number 5.
Okay, now this is number 5. 617 plus 289. Those are boxes. That way you guys remember to carry the 1. Who would like to try that one?
Miss Claire.
Let me see, who should I call? Somebody I haven't seen do none of it yet. Let's see.
Miss Kelly, your computer.
But it's still recording.
Hey, Jesus. Let's have Jesus do it.
He already done one.
Yeah, we had a demo.
So 7.
It's fine. I have him do this one and then do,
7 plus
you get to do the other one.
7 plus 9 is 16. So put the 10 in the box where the 10s are. And then 8 plus 1 equals 9. And then add the other one equals 10. So put the 1 in the hundreds place. And then 6 plus 2 equals 8. And then 8 plus 1 equals 9.
And your answer should be 906. Now let's give Jackson a turn to do at least one of these problems. Jackson's gonna do number 6 for us. 592 plus 300 329.
The first one is 11.
Would you like to come on the board to do it for us, Jackson?
It's 11. You put that one. You put one of the 10. One of the ones up here,
Okay, the one.
and you take one down here. Now 1 plus 9 is 10. We're gonna put the one right here, and
1 plus 9 is 10, right?
yeah.
But it's 10 plus 2. Don't forget that too. 10 plus 2
is 12.
Mhm.
You can't see it.
down here. Here's the 1. 1 plus 5
Is 6.
and 6 plus 3. Don't forget that 3. What is 6 plus
9.
9?
Which way does the number?
be 921. Did you all have that answer?
Yes.
900, 921?
That was 811.
No, if you didn't add that one, you have 821, but you have to carry that one. Let's try it. 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 was 11, and he carried the one over here. 1 plus 9 is 10, and 10 plus 2 was 12. He put the 2 down here, and he carried the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3. Let's put 6 in your head and add 3 to it. 6, 7, 8, 9. That was the right answer. If you guys have 821, that's because you didn't add that one over here.
I had 821.
That's because you didn't add this one. You have to add the one that you carry from here. Right? Always remember to add the one. If you don't add that one, your answer will not be correct. Now, turn on to the second page. We'll do one more, and that will be it for today. We're going to do number 9. Number 9, okay? We'll do number 9.
Number 9.
The number 9, it said, last week, Gina baked 234 chocolate cupcakes and 168 strawberry cupcakes. How many cupcakes did she bake in all? Whenever they say how many, what do? Do we add or subtract? Kayla? Add. So what are we going to add to find how many cupcakes did she bake in all? What are we going to add, Calvin?
We're going to add 234
234
plus 168.
plus 168. Now let's solve it together, right? You have 8. Put 8 in your head and add 4 to it. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12. What do we do with the 1?
We carry the 1.
We carry the 1. Now we say 6 plus 3. What is 6 plus 3? Put 6 in your head and add 3 to it. 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9. Plus 1. What is 9 plus 1? Joseph.
10.
10. What do we do with the 1?
You put it in the hundreds place.
We put it in the 100th place. Good job. And 1 plus 2 is? Madison. 1 plus 2 is? 3. And 3 plus 1 is? 4. And your answer will be 402. 402. So that's how many cupcakes that she baked in all. You guys did such a wonderful job today. But now pass your paper. This line, pass your paper to Calvin. And over here, you guys pass your paper down here to Kayla. Thank you so much.
No.